In this video, you will learn how to open a HSBC bank account online. First, choose your account type. Visit the HSBC website and pick the account that suits you best, such as a bank account, advanced bank account, or premium bank account. Each have different features and eligibility requirements. Apply online or via mobile app. You can apply through the HSBC website or by downloading the HSBC mobile banking app. The application usually takes about 12 minutes. Existing customers may also need to apply in branch. Provide required details. You will need a proof of identity, such as a driving license, passport or ID card, and a proof of your address. Additional documents may be requested if and when they are needed. Wait for the application process. HSBC reviews your application, and some are approved immediately, while others may take a few days. They will contact you for more information if they need it. Review. Receive your debit card and account details. After approval, your debit card will be sent and your account details will be sent all by post. Activate your card and start using your HSBC online account. Get support if needed. If you have any questions or run into any problems, you can contact HSBC customer support or visit your local branch for help. Now you know how to open a new HSBC online bank account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.